Hello children, welcome to biology class. From the lesson Improvement in Food Resources, we started a new topic last week, animal husbandry. And from that topic we discussed cattle farming technique. Hope you understand the topic well. Today we are going to discuss poultry farming. Before that, what is animal husbandry? Yes, animal husbandry is the scientific management of animal livestock. Animal husbandry is the scientific management of animal livestock. It includes various aspects such as feeding, breeding and disease control. Okay, so let's start today's class. Topic: poultry farming. Poultry farming is undertaken to raise domestic fowl for egg production and chicken meat. Therefore, improved poultry breeds are developed and farmed to produce layers for egg and broilers for meat. Clear? So, we can make use of cross-breeding programs by utilizing different applications from the field of biology, biotechnology and all. We can make use of different breeds between Indian species and a foreign species. Indian species is a seal. This is the diagram of a seal, and foreign species. This is foreign species lagoon. Okay, so we can produce cross breeding programs between Indian species and foreign breeds for variety improvement are focused. Okay, for what purpose? To produce desired traits in the new species. Okay children, so what are the desired traits? So now let's discuss about desired traits. First one, number and quality of chicks. Second one, dwarf broiler parent for commercial chick production. Summer adaptation capacity or tolerance to high temperature. Then fourth one, low maintenance requirement. And the last one, reduction in size of egg-laying bird with ability to utilize more fibrous, cheaper diets formulated using agricultural byproducts. So these are the desired traits. Okay. So for this purpose, we can make use of different varieties by using applications from biotechnology. Okay, children. Then egg and broiler production. Broiler chicken are fed with vitamin-rich supplementary feed for good growth rate and better feed efficiency. Why? Because the weight has to be improved a lot, isn't it? So in the case of broiler chicken, the weight is more important. So care is taken to avoid mortality. Mortality means death rate. Okay, mortality and to maintain feathering and carcass quality. They are produced as broilers and sent to market for the purpose of meat production, isn't it? So for good production of poultry bird, good management practices are very important. So these include maintenance of temperature and hygienic conditions in housing and poultry feed, as well as prevention and control of diseases and pests. The housing, nutritional and environmental requirement of broilers are somewhat different from those of egg layers. The ration, that means the daily food requirement for broilers, is protein rich with adequate fat. The level of vitamin A and vitamin K is kept high in the poultry feeds. Okay, so poultry fowl suffer from a number of diseases caused by virus, bacteria, fungi, parasites, as well as from nutritional deficiencies. So that's why it is necessary to proper cleaning, sanitation and spraying of disinfectants at regular interval. So it is a must. Okay, otherwise it will result a great loss. So appropriate vaccination can prevent the occurrence of infectious diseases and reduce loss of poultry during an outbreak of disease. Okay, so it's very simple topic. That's about poultry farming techniques. Okay, you read the textbook thoroughly, children. And next week we are having examination. For that examination, 2 two lessons are included. The first one, the entire lesson tissue, and up to the topic storage of grains. From this lesson, improvement in food resources. So I told you from this lesson you can expect different types of application level questions. Okay, so now let's discuss one question. So this question is there in our textbook. Okay, listen the question. Figure shows two crops field, plot A and plot B, have been treated by manure and chemical fertilizers respectively. See, manure in plot A, chemical fertilizers and plot B, keeping other environmental factors same. Observe the graph and answer the following question. So three questions are given. What is the first question? Why does plot B show sudden increase and then gradual decrease in yield? Then second question, why is the highest peak in plot A graph slightly delayed? Then question 3, what is the reason for the different patterns of the two graphs? Children, you can expect these type of questions from this lesson. Okay, so how can we answer the question? What is the first question? Why does plot B show sudden increase then gradual decrease in the yield? See, plot B, sudden increase and sudden decrease. What may be the reason? With the addition of chemical fertilizers, isn't it? The chemical fertilizers are added there. So with the addition of chemical fertilizers, there is sudden increase in the yield due to release of nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium in high quantity. This gradual decline in the graph may be due to continuous use and high quantity of chemicals which kill microbes useful for replenishing the organic matter in the soil. This is very important. So this decreases the soil fertility and it causes sudden decrease. Clear? Then second question. Why is the highest peak in plot A graph slightly delayed? In plot A, the farmer add manure, isn't it? Manure supplies small quantities of nutrients to the soil slowly as it contains large amount of organic matter. That is, importance of organic matter can be included here. Okay. Then it enriches soil with nutrients, thereby increasing soil fertility continuously. Okay. Then the last question. What is the reason for the different patterns of the two graphs? What is the reason, children? Yes, the difference in the two graphs indicate the use of manure is, beneficial for long duration in cropping as the yield tends to remain high when the quantity of manure increases. In case of plot B, chemical fertilizers may cause various problems when used continuously for a long time. Loss of microbial activity reduces decomposition of organic matter. As a result, soil fertility is lost that affect the yield. Not only that, it causes soil pollution, water pollution, etc. And if we using that food, what happen? Different types of diseases may occur. Okay, that's why it is better to use manure than chemical fertilizers. We can use different types of biological fertilizers. Okay, so that is the answer. So children, you can expect these type of questions, either graph based or a tabular data based questions you can expect. Okay, so you read the textbook thoroughly. Okay, children, and from the tissue and from the lesson tissue, all the diagrams are very important. Okay. So study well. Okay. Thank you, children.